Hi, this is Smitty again. I want to thank you very much for stopping by to check out our video blog. Today we're going to talk about the home buyer inspection. Okay, there's what type of inspection items can I ask for, and then how do I get those taken care of or paid for? All right, we'll be right back. All right. Here we are back again. We're going to answer a couple of inspection items. We always get buyers kind of anxious, wondering, what can I ask for? What am I looking for during an inspection? How do I get those either paid for, compensated, or how do I make sure that they get taken care of? Well, the first kind of repair I want to talk about, I just like to term it as a Mickey Mouse repair, okay? That's not what we're looking for to ask from the seller, especially if it's a resale house, it's an older house, not brand new, okay? A Mickey Mouse repair would be, I got a loose doorknob, I didn't like the color of the bathroom. Most sellers in our marketplace are not going to take care of those type of items for you, okay? Then we've got the moderate type of things. These are things that I didn't notice during the first walkthrough, all right? Hey, I paid this certain amount, we contracted for this certain amount, and there was some things that weren't really expected. There's some windows that don't work, there's a fogged window, okay, they're not really safety, but they're moderate things. Now, depending upon the situation, we may be able to ask for those, okay? We're going to help you work through that and decide if those are type of things that we can ask for. The third thing is really health and safety related issues. If we've got a cracked heat exchanger, okay, our inspectors are going to look for cracked heat exchangers, the furnace, are there issues with roof, okay, is there a leaking roof, any type of health and safety issues. Those are things that absolutely we're going to go back, we're going to ask the seller to repair, replace, or compensate us for those things, okay? So really that's what I wanted to share with you today. We're going to come back in a future blog here real quick, and we're going to answer, how do I get those items compensated, okay? How do I get those things taken care of? I just want to thank you very much for stopping by again. We really appreciate you. The whole entire team is here to support you with expert advice and guaranteed results. Until next time, thank you very much.